Finding a mortgage broker these days is as easy as throwing a rock in any direction. These brokers all seem to offer a variety of mortgage options, or so it seems. But when it comes to qualifying for a mortgage, most of these brokers are limited to products with the strict lending criteria you will find with the banks. They are highly regulated by the government and by their shareholders with respect to who they can lend to and how much. This lending criteria is all geared towards servicing the typical A-plus borrower, the type that can get approved anywhere. But today, many people just don't fit neatly into the typical lending criteria for one reason or another. Life happens, and sometimes we're faced with a temporary life event that prevents us from accessing the financing options geared for our A-plus friends. Job loss, divorce, unexpected loss in the family, illness, starting a new business with no credit history, even entrepreneurs choosing to buy and renovate fixer-upper homes as a short-term investment. These are all situations that don't fit into the criteria that traditional lenders are looking for, which leaves you stuck. But there are solutions available for people that find themselves outside the box for any of these reasons. For most people, it only takes a couple of years to get back on track and move into the A-plus lending criteria, or to build a bridge over the temporary life events that left us stuck. That's where private lending comes in. Private lending is a loan product provided by a mortgage investment corporation, lending syndicate, or a wealthy individual that doesn't require you to check all the boxes like a big bank. So if you own a property with at least 25% equity, or you can manage a 25% down payment on the purchase of a new property, and if you have an exit plan for your current situation, such as improving your credit, reselling the property, a new job on the horizon, or a spouse returning to work in the near future, there is a large network of private and non-traditional lenders that can tailor a solution to meet your specific needs and provide short-term loans to bridge that gap for 1 or 2 years. Private lenders aren't that interested in the things that may have been holding you back, like proof of income, assets, or credit score. These lenders are most interested in you, the property being offered for security, and your plan to pay them back. No need for all the reams of documentation. In most cases, an appraisal or city tax assessment is all that is required. And sometimes, these loans can be paid in full at the end of the term instead of through monthly payments, like in a situation where you will be selling your property in order to have the funds for repayment. How can you learn more about private lending? With Alberta Mortgages. Stop worrying and start living. Apply online today or contact us for more information.